Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and I have another interesting update to share. So, is it just me or did the temperature just skyrocket? Today is officially going down as Visual Peak Day. We have got Dylan Wang breaking the internet with GQ China and Shenyu giving us the most aesthetic girl next door update we have seen all year. If you are a fan of the Meteor Garden 2018 duo, your heart is probably doing somersaults right now. Let's dive into the details because, honey, the stuff is leaking the good stuff. First up, let's talk about Dylan Wang. GQ China just dropped the behind the scenes from his makeover shoot. And can we talk about the crown? He is literally out here looking like the prom king we all wish we had. The staff shared these live photos on Red Note, and the vibe is very sporty royalty. We are seeing trophies, we are seeing weights, and we are seeing those biceps. One staffer even said, when you tap on this video, you officially became one of the Dylan's friends. Sign me up. Is it just a Photo shoot? Or is he preparing to rule a small country? Because I would move there tomorrow. While Dylan is being a literal king, Shenyu is giving us the ultimate weekend mood. He just updated her Weibo account with the caption, "Come back, hey, hey, hey." What does it mean? Is she coming back to a specific team? A specific co-star? Or is she just vibing in the park? Look at these selfies. The wet hair, the rainy day aesthetic, and that smile in the little rocket ship playground. She looks incredibly refreshed. Fans are already theorizing that this comeback energy might be hinting at her next big move. Variety queen or drama goddess? We need answers, Yu. It's been years since they shared a screen, but seeing them both dominate the trends on the same day, the coincidences are too juicy for my sheeper heart. What do you think of Dylan's GQ look? And what is Shenyu coming back to? Let me know in the comments, and yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your daily dose of C Entertainment Tea. See ya! Have a good day everyone! Bye!